Hello and welcome back. Today I've got another £250 worth of 50p's to hunt through, so we're looking for some commemorative coins, or those with more than face value. We're trying to fill up my little collector's book here, so I'll show you what we're missing. So there's not very many actually now, so it's Kew Gardens, which would be amazing to find. A couple of Olympics, so boxing and wrestling. There we go. And then we've got, if we turn the page, more modern ones that we've seen loads of these ones recently, the 2017 Beatrix Potters. So, never know, today might be that day we find that Kew Gardens. So let's get into the bag. So we'll open the bag, the first one in real time, and I'll show you what we're looking for. I have got my pots off to the side, so we're going to split out the Shield and Britannias to look for desirable ones. So, what are we looking for? Britannia through 2008 is a low mintage year, so that's not it. But there's our first commemorative, that's Ironside, it's a fairly common one though. Another Britannia, and there's Shield. So Shield, the low mintage years, the NIFCs they are, so they're not minted for circulation, 2009, 10, 11 and 16. And then, ooh, there we go. First pool is our first Olympic pool there, canoeing. Always nice to see Olympic 50p. So we'll separate out the Shield and the Britannias as I said. There's another one, Scouts, so that's a good bag really. We normally average about 2 a bag. Some hunts are better than others though. And that does it for the first bag. Put these around the right way. So what we'll do now, we'll speed up until we find anything. There's Roger Bannister, another common one. We've got Victoria Cross, the Wounded Soldier there, another common one. And another Wounded Soldier. There's our first 2017's Peter Rabbit. And then we've got Team GB. There's another Wounded Soldier there. And another Scouts. There's another Roger Bannister. Got a Jersey one there. What year is that? 2009. That's different. Another Roger Bannister there. Don't normally see that many of the Roger Bannisters. Victoria across the medals there, another common one. Ooh, Miss Tiggywinkle, another Beatrix Potter. Haven't had that many Beatrix Potters actually in this bag. There's our first dictionary, so we've got a little counter tracking the dictionaries that we find, because it's the most common one that we find in these bags. Ooh, Squirrel Nutkin as well. It's a bit better on the Beatrix Potters. Another Tiggy Winkle. Whoops. UK's entry into the EEC there. Not the most common one, but only about face value as well. Oh, there's Battle of Hastings there. Looks really nice, doesn't it? Awesome. Another common one though. That's it, there's a Roger Bannister there. There's Battle of Britain there. So there is a mint mark. If it's JC, it's the common one. Yeah, you can see just under the Queen's neck, JC there. If you've got the IRB, that's one that's not intended for circulation, so keep looking for that. Oh, they've got two there actually. Another Scouts and Tiggy Winkle. Hang on, what's that? 25 pesetas? Spanish? Nothing like a 50p. What's going on? Oh well, it's different. There's our first of the new ones, Jeremy Fisher. Always nice to find. There's another Peter Rabbit. And another Ironside. Another Team GB there. We've got Girl Guides there. Bit gross on the back though. Another Scouts. And another Roger Bannister. Cool, got loads of him. There's another Battle of Hastings. And another Tiggy Winkle. There's Team GB again. Public libraries, the first one of that today. And we're on to the last bag, so we'll have a peek, see if we can spot anything. Things jumping out there for me. No. Well, 2 Olympics isn't bad. Nothing new so far though. Oh, what's going on here? So we'll do the last bag in real time. So you never know, we could find what we're after in this last bag. We have done it in the past. For those of you that are interested, I will leave a link in the description to my Discord server. There's a whole bunch of us in there that collect coins. We put pictures up of what we found in the day. We talk about coins that we found or coins in our collections. Team GB again. So if that sounds of interest to you, do feel free to come in and join in the conversation. It's a lot easier as well to have a conversation with me there, because I reply to virtually every comment that I get, but it's when you reply to a comment I don't get notified, so it's a bit tough for me trying to reply to them, but I do try to scroll through them just to see. Right, I'm going to search through the Shield and the Britannias now and see if we've got anything else in there. So no Shield and IFCs as usual, but we did find 3 2008 Britannias. That's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. So, they're pretty good finds. So I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye!